Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Oluwatobi, and on this channel we deal with food, lifestyle and music. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this yummy moist chocolate banana bread. Guys, it is so good. I mean, it's so good. It's so good. Right. All right. So if you're new to the channel, you're absolutely welcome. Thank you for clicking on my video. Please do well to subscribe. All right guys, let's jump right into today's video. So guys, for this recipe you'll be needing some sugar. You could use white sugar, you could use brown sugar, but I actually made I used a combination of the two of them. Okay, you need some bananas, you need vegetable oil, you need vinegar, you need baking soda, you need baking powder, you need some flour, you need some vanilla essence or any essence that will just amplify the taste of this recipe. That's the chocolate banana bread. You also need cocoa powder, and then just wanted a little kick. I added in just a dash of spirit, something like a preservative. Well, it's alcohol basically, but yeah. And so just give everything a good mix in the blender, and then you transfer it into a bowl. So in that bowl you're going to, so what I just blended, if you notice, what I just blended was banana, sugar, the vanilla essence, and and the vanilla essence. Okay, so I just transferred it into a bowl after I finished blending it into a very smooth paste, and then I added in the vegetable oil and then the vinegar. Now I'm just going to add in some flour and the cocoa powder, right, and salt and baking powder as well as baking soda. I'm then going to sieve these into the bowl. Make sure that when you're adding anything, you sieve it, especially dry ingredients, because you don't know where it was before you got it, and even while you've put it in a place, so that it will not just be lumpy basically, and just remove any dirt from it. So I've just added it into the bowl, and then I'm going to give everything, I'm going to fold it. I'm not mixing it, I'm folding it. All right, then the next step is to now add water in batches. So what I did was just put the in the blender that I used to blend everything together, I just added water into it, and then I just rinsed it, and that was what I used. Yeah, so I'm going to leave all the appropriate measurements in the description box below. So what I'm doing now is just adding it into a bread loaf pan. All right, and because I'm a sweet tooth, if you don't want to do this, you are free. Even if you don't put all these that I've put into it, you are the chef. Okay, you can do it any way you want, and it is still going to come out nice. So what I just did was just adding some fillings. I added what's it called? I added coconut. I added coconut chips, Oreos biscuits, some chocolate, white and dark chocolate, then cornflakes. It was so good. The moistness of the banana bread and the crunchiness of the fillings just made everything so good, guys. I was just managing not to finish this thing today because I was so bored in the house, and I created this recipe. So the interesting thing is, you don't need butter, you don't need eggs to make this yummy recipe, this yummy chocolate banana bread recipe. Guys, if you can see, just look at me, just enjoy myself. You can see that it's really good, and I will not bring something that is not the best for you guys. If you get around creating it, please tag me. I'd love to see it. If you're new to the channel, you're absolutely welcome. Please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.